Today, I'll walk you through how to embed a PDF in Elementor on a WordPress site, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to seamlessly integrate a PDF into your website so you can enhance user experience and provide valuable resources to your visitors. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your WordPress dashboard. From there, look for the Media section and select Add Media File. This is where you'll upload your PDF document, a simple step but crucial for the process. Once you're in the media library, select the files you wish to upload. This is similar to picking out a book from a shelf. You're choosing the content you want to share with your audience. After selecting your PDF, click on Copy URL to Clipboard. This action captures the link to your PDF, which you will use in the next steps, so don't worry if this takes a moment. Now let's move on to the Elementor editor. Click on Edit Site to open up the Elementor interface. This is where the magic happens, allowing you to customize your page layout and design. Next, find the section where you want to add the PDF link. Click on Button to create a clickable element that will direct users to your PDF. Think of this button as a door that leads your visitors to the valuable information you've prepared. Once you have your button in place, click on the button text to edit it. This is where you can label your button, perhaps something like Download PDF or View Document. It's important to make it clear what action you want your visitors to take. After that, click on Link to paste the URL you copied earlier. This step is essential as it connects your button to the PDF file. Now let's enhance the button's appearance. Click on Style to customize how your button looks. You can adjust colors, sizes, and even hover effects to make it more engaging. Next, navigate to Typography to change the font style and size of your button text. This is akin to choosing the right outfit for a special occasion. You want it to stand out and be inviting. Finally, don't forget to change the text color to ensure it contrasts well with the button background. This will make your button more visible and appealing to your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully embedded a PDF in Elementor on your WordPress site. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any issues, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.